Welcome back. I'm Kolie, and I'm going to be doing another unboxing and a review for the Mystical Medleys. It's a vintage cartoon tarot deck, and it's by Gary Hall. Okay, so I picked this up. I've been seeing it on Amazon for a little while. I would say maybe a few months it came out. But I decided to pick it up because it was interesting to me. So I was like, okay, well, let me go ahead and grab that. But also, I have another channel. You guys want to check it out? I do personal. I also do personal readings, but I do collective readings. Any kind of reading that you may want to hear, any message that you want to hear. But I do tarot readings. Okay, so let's hop into the deck. Okay, so that's the inside. It has the cute little star there with, looks like the devil card there on the little flop here, but it pretty much flops, which is cute. Okay, there's the little card, the cards and the book. Cute little book. Look how cute that is. Cute little book. We'll hop in that in a second. Let's see what the deck is gonna look like. So this is the size, you guys. It looks pretty thick, and this is the full here, and it has the vintage, you know, like the little dark spots on them, kind of make it vintage. And this is the back of the deck. Cute little back of the deck here. Okay, I'm gonna bring it down so we can get started. Okay, there we go. So you see the full, you guys. Cute little vintage deck. I like the colors. And we have the magician, like his face is an eye. The cartoon chair, table there with the tools on it. The high priestess, and that's really cute. The sun, I like the sun. It has Torah on a page, T-O-R-A. I have to see in the book what that is. But I wanted to also mention it is a matte finish to the cards. And they're pretty thick. See how thick they are. I like the thickness. And this is the Empress. Wow, she's pretty, but has those big bulging eyes. But it's pretty. The Emperor. Definitely showing all his teeth. But it's cute. I like it. It's like a little fun cartoon deck, as it said. The Hierophant. Which makes me feel like that eye is like the third eye. Yeah. And these two have the keys. The little, looks like little ladybugs. And the two stands, they made them out of like little cartoons. The Lovers. That's cute. That one cartoon reminds me of Betty Boo. I love me some Betty Boo. I even named a previous car of mine Betty Boo. The Chariot. The Strength card. Oh, that's cute. The Hermit. Try not to let this video be too long for you guys. The Wheel of Fortune. That's cute. I like that. Looks like Tom and Jerry with the and it has the little book there, the books. Snakes, I like that. He's pulling his tail. Justice. The Hangman. Oh, look at that tree. Oh. Death. It's like the bug here is praying. Yeah. Temperance. This one doesn't have both of their feet. Well, it has one in there. Yeah, one of their feet. So it looks like either one, but because it's not dipping the feet in the water, but it's like on the top of the water. The Devil. Yeah, that's that devil on the flop of the wrong one. On the flop here. The Tower. So it's one falling out, it's another one falling out the other way, like on the other side of the building. The Star. She has one foot in the water as well. The Moon. That's cute. The Sun. I like that. It's like the plants are even happy. Judgment. Got the skeletons there, the little horn on the cloud. The World. She looks surprised. Now to the Ace of Wands. Doesn't look too happy crossing that river. Two of Wands. This one has a face here. Three of Wands. It's like a sailor. Four of Wands. That's cute. I like that. I like the colors too. Five of Wands. I just don't like the dirty look on the cards. It kind of make the cards look dirty, but it's because of the vintage look. So when they get old, they're gonna really look dirty. But on the sides, they're white now, but when they, if you use them a few times or more often, it's when it gets dirty, it's gonna make them look dirty on the sides, and it's gonna make it seem like it's not still a fresh deck. That's the only thing. But this is the Seven of Wands, and it's cute with the multiple faces or multiple eyes. Eight of Wands. And I like that they give you a story, more of a story, more of an interpretation with this deck here. Nine of Wands, telling them to go a certain way. 10 of Wands, traditional but cute. Page of Wands, that's cute. Knight of Wands, Queen of Wands, King of Wands, giving orders. On to the Ace of Cups. That's a cute little cup with the ghost there. That is so cute. The water coming out like waterfalls. 2 of Cups. And that's cute, but it has a snake in between. That's going to be interesting. Just like the Lovers. But most of the Lovers have that snake on most decks. But not in the Cups. 3 of Cups. Skeletons. 4 of Cups. That's cute. 5 of Cups. So ghost looking in the mirror. There's no one there. It's like a hole dropping into the hole maybe. That's going to be a good interpretation. 6 of Cups. That's really cute. 7 of Cups. Yeah, I really like that. That's cute. 8 of Cups. And them two, the sun and the moon fighting. That's going to be interesting. It's walking away with their fighting. Are you trying to make a debate or fighting between light and the darkness? 9 of Cups. That's cute. 10 of Cups. Page of Cups. That's cute. Knight of Cups. I like that, but he looks like he kind of doesn't want to give it to, like unsure if he wants to give his cup. Queen of Cups. And she looks unsure too. King of Cups, excuse me. He's fishing, looking for something. Now for the Ace of Swords. He's been through some things, bruised. 2 of Swords, blindfolded there. 3 of Swords. He's got 2 in his back, but shooting 1. That's going to be a good interpretation. 4 of Swords. That's different than the 4 of Swords. A little different. 5 of Swords. That's interesting. The big guy. 6 of Swords. Pretty traditional there. 7 of Swords. That's pretty traditional. Just telling them to shh, don't tell nobody. 8 of Swords. It's cute, wrapped up, sleeping. 9 of Swords. 10 of Swords. Pretty traditional. Page of Swords. Knight of Swords. Queen of Swords. It's cute. She has a baby on the Queen of Swords. King of Swords. Now for the Ace of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles with 2 bodies. Okay, 2 heads. That's neat. 3 of Pentacles. I like. 4 of Pentacles. Pretty traditional. 5 of Pentacles. Yeah, I like that one too. 6 of Pentacles. Yeah, it's so dramatic in these, in this art, in this illustration, and I like that. 7 of Pentacles. Was very tired of working hard. 8 of Pentacles. 9 of Pentacles. Really cute there. It's a plant. 10 of Pentacles. I love this 10 of Pentacles. It's so beautiful. I like that. Page of Pentacles. That's cute. Has money. The Knight of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. I like that, the Bull. Happy Squirrel, so it's an extra card here. That's gonna be good. You know what that will be. In the Sad Squirrel. Okay, yeah, I definitely like that. Okay, so I'm gonna shuffle the cards for you so you can see how they shuffle. And I will... Ooh. Yeah, you have to break them in because they're brand new. So maybe a little rough trying to shuffle them because of that. But once you break them in, I feel that they're going to go smoothly here. Yeah. Okay, now I'll pull a collective card for you guys. The Emperor. Okay. So someone's bossing up. Could be a boss, an entrepreneur, a businessman, a leader. Could be a father. Someone that I'm speaking to. Yeah. So that's the Emperor. So let me see. The Emperor. This is to show you guys the book. That's the introduction, just a small little book here with all the spreads. It tells you about the exclusive cards, how to read the tarot. So it has pictures, which is cute. Little small description, which I like. That's cute. I like it. Mostly all the cards it tells you about. Let's see. Pentacles, it has spreads. What's happening? Yeah, so that's what it has in it. A little picture here. So that's the book. So now let me find the Emperor. Okay, here we go. Just gonna read a little bit, but the wise old father figure sits up. Let me see if I can go to the interpretation. Awakening the pioneer spirit within you and accomplish things for yourself. Will your mighty power to solve life's problems, but don't fall victim to greed along the way. So there we have it, you guys. That's your view of the tarot deck. So I hope you guys liked it. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.